creators. Today we're simplifying busy photos to make them visually stronger. Start by identifying what the true subject is, then remove anything competing for attention. Lower the saturation of background elements, soften unnecessary textures, and darken areas that distract. Brightening the subject slightly helps isolate it even more. Clean compositions tell clearer visual stories. The simpler your frame becomes, the more powerful it feels. Keep refining until the viewer's attention lands exactly where you want. Thanks for dropping in. More clarity-focused tutorials ahead.